Hello everybody, Thurtinkle here with Tineke. We're cooking at home. So, I'm feeling a little hungry.
Again.
So, what are we having today then?
Well, I thought because it's the weekend, we can maybe give ourselves a little treat.
Oh yeah? Like what?
A treat for a Belgian is homemade chips
Ooh,
with mayonnaise.
Chips with mayonnaise, that sounds great. Chips are made from potatoes, aren't they?
They are. And look what I've done. We've cut the potatoes into little strips of and boiled them for 5 minutes.
All right.
They should not be too soft, but just a little bit on the edges. And now we're going to bake them in the oven.
Right.
So I'm transferring them to a bowl.
Now, you can peel potatoes if you like, but you don't have to. Some
No.
people like crispy skin.
I like them with the skin on, especially those royal blue potatoes. They're very nice with the
Right.
skin on.
So there we are, potatoes. You just throw them in the oven?
No, you add oil.
Oh yeah, of course.
So what we use is sunflower oil because that's nice and light.
Right.
You wouldn't use olive oil for this
Why not?
because it's too heavy. It has too much taste. But we will be using olive oil to finish it off.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just mixing it,
Right.
and I'm also adding quite a bit of salt.
What now? I just
Yeah.
put salt on at the end.
No.
This is oven chips, isn't it? We're
Yes.
not deep frying them, are we?
Yes. We want them to go crispy.
Okay.
All right, so this is going on a tray, and because they need space, I'm using 2 trays.
Okay. 2 trays.
This is
All right.
tray number 1.
Yep.
Yeah, and tray number 2.
Okay. You just spread them out.
That's right.
Right.
Spread them out. And while I'm doing this, tell me how you're going.
Well, I'm all right. You know, I'm finding it hard to sleep right now because I'm a bit bored at home, to be honest. And you know, with all that's going on, sometimes I get a bit worried. So, you know, it's hard to stay asleep. So sometimes I have long naps in the afternoon right now.
And what do you do to get yourself to sleep again? Do you have techniques?
Oh, I do. I like, you know, making sure I'm really deeply relaxed and then just try deep breathing. That sometimes works. Sometimes I just read a book for a while and try again. You know.
That's what I do.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're putting it in the oven now?
Yes, we've warmed the oven at 220, so that's quite warm.
Oh, that's very hot. That's a hot oven.
Yes. And we've lined these trays with baking paper.
Right.
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Because that way they don't fall through and they don't stick.
Oh, right, because they don't want to stick. No.
Let's make some mayonnaise, Thurtinkle.
Time for some mayonnaise. Normally I get it from a jar.
Don't. No. We do it fresh. So we're going to break 2 eggs, whole eggs. Add a bit of pepper and salt. And a little bit of sunflower oil
Okay.
to start off with. And then we'll use the blender and start whisking. And then I'll be gradually adding a bit more sunflower oil.
Okay.
Right? Ready?
Yep, and there's something about temperature, isn't there? They all have to be the same temperature or something.
Yeah, that's best. But this time we're not using mustard or anything. So these are just eggs from the shelf, and the oil is from the shelf, so it's all the same temperature.
Yeah, because you don't need to keep eggs in the fridge. Did you know that? No, they're fine just on the shelf. Anyway.
Yeah, okay, so let's go.
Cover your ears. Here we go. Is it mayonnaise yet?
Not yet. You'll see it thicken in a bit.
In goes the olive oil.
No, not olive oil.
No, oh, sorry. Sunflower oil. Is it mayonnaise yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Let's carry on. Exciting times. How we doing?
Getting bigger.
Oh, is it?
See, it's getting bigger.
Oh, good.
Let's take quite a woo.
Nice. Just keep it pouring that sunflower oil in.
And at the end, we'll add a bit of vinegar.
Vinegar. Just for taste.
Yeah, or lemon. You can choose to opt for lemon as well.
Uh-huh. Oh,
So
it's
we
getting nice and thick now.
That's right. And I should not lift this until it's thick enough. So you see, I have to keep going.
Right. That's why you should use a machine, not your hand, because it's quite a lot of work.
See, it's thickening up nicely now.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and thick. There we are. I've nearly finished all my
How about that?
sunflower oil.
It's a lot of oil. Amazing.
That's right.
And now a little bit of vinegar just to finish
and
it
now
off.
a little bit of vinegar. Like this.
Hmm. Homemade mayonnaise for the
Homemade
chips.
mayonnaise. There you go.
Wow.
Shall we have a look at our chips?
Yeah, let's see if the chips are ready.
Okay. Whoa, look at that.
Something smells good.
So this is where they're at.
Wow.
Okay. And now the next stage is, we'll just give that a little shake so they can crisp up on all sides.
That's why we use the paper, so it
That's
didn't
right.
stick so much.
That's right. You can move them around a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Looking
So
good.
I wonder who's watching here.
Let us know if you watch, because we'll need to see your reactions, your likes, your comments.
Yeah.
If you're watching my playlist on YouTube, that's good. Otherwise, hello on Facebook.
Okay, so
So how about that then? Chips with homemade mayonnaise. Amazing.
now to jazz this up a bit more, we're going to heat some olive oil in a pan
Yep.
on the stove
Mm-hmm.
and fry some garlic, sliced garlic in there.
Right.
And we're going to, take the chips out of the oven, put that mixture of fried garlic and olive oil on there, and then have it in the oven again a little bit more. So that'll be the final
Great.
touch.
Sounds good.
Okay. So shall we just do that at home?
Yeah, you can do that at home.
Okay. All right. See ya.
Bye.